in Lak'ech, and welcome. We're the Star Teachers. And today, as we've been doing all this week, we provide you with another short lesson, an exercise to help you to become more collaborative with us as we move towards this weekend event that has been named the Woodstock of ET Contact Worldwide Mass Meditation Event from September the 20th through the 22nd in live sessions with us, the Star Teachers. And so we hope you will join us. All of the details to do this will be attached to this video. As always, we invite you to share with everyone you know and love, and to participate with us live if you can, and also to continue to do these exercises every day to help attune you to the higher level frequencies that will be needed for this collaboration. And so we can begin today's exercise, but first we encourage you to not participate until you can let go of responsibility for a few moments and be in a quiet place where you will not be disturbed and where you can be comfortable. Please don't do this exercise while you're operating a vehicle or any other machinery or in any situation where you are needed by others. So take a few moments now and get comfortable. And take a few deep breaths, remembering that the breath is the bridge between the physical body vessel, the physical world, and your conscious awareness, the cosmos. Breathe in deeply and relax. And as you exhale, release everything that is not peace, that is not love, that is not harmony. Breathe in deeply again and allow yourself to relax even more deeply, coming into that conditioned space you are preparing for yourself within yourself to connect with us more fully. And as you exhale, release anything that is no longer required or desired by you to have a happy, coherent, liberated life. And as you inhale again, breathe in love, unconditional love for yourself, for others, for all of life, all of it. And as you exhale, breathe love out to all of life, including yourself, and relax. And now today's exercise, we'd like for you to, in your imagination, pull up a visual of some sort of mineral element, a rock, a boulder, a crystal, a mountain, a pebble, a fossil. Bring that up in your mind's eye without any forethought or analysis or judgment. Just pull up a picture of a rock, let's say. And just observe this mineral for a few moments. Notice everything you can about it. What are its physical properties, its dimensions, its mass, its weight perhaps? Is it large or gigantic, or is it small, like a grain of sand? If you need to zoom out to see the whole thing, in your perception of your mind's eye, do so. If you need to zoom in, you may also do that. What are the colors, the textures? What are all the features of this mineral that you're looking at? Look at it from all sides and all dimensions. Reach out with your hand and touch it. How does it feel? Is it hard? Is it rough? Is it soft? Is it silky? it shiny? How does it feel to make contact physically with this mineral? Is there a sound associated with it? Is there a taste, a smell? Explore the mineral for a few more moments without judgment. That's right. And then once again, if you can, just from your heart center, send a wave of love to this seemingly inanimate object, knowing full well that all things in creation are consciously aware, just within their own frequency. Reach out and send love to this mineral. Connect with it. Find its heart. And as you connect with it, feel the love coming back from it into your presence, into your being. How does it feel to receive love from something you might have thought was not conscious? Allow yourself to become one, to feel there is no separation between you and this mineral, this rock, this stone, this mountain, this pebble, this grain. And then ask the mineral, what is your purpose? And do you have any information for me? And then again, without analysis or judgment or forethought, allow the information to flow into you. Receive. Ask if there is anything you can do for it, and listen. And finally, knowing that you are infinitely capable, allow yourself to send to this mineral what it has asked for. See it receiving as you receive from it. Once again, send love and gratitude, and allow the mineral to now recede back into the place from whence it came, and bring yourself back fully to the conscious awareness of your physical reality, the life reality that you are now focused on, feeling rejuvenated, happy, hopeful, knowing that you have received a great gift and given a great gift. And then we invite you to practice this as much as possible every day up until the event that we mentioned before. beginning Friday, September the 20th, going through Sunday, September the 22nd, where we will be providing live sessions to collaborate with all of the world in creating a higher level conditioned space for this planet and her inhabitants to bring in the new age, the new human era of peace, love, equality, freedom, and great joy. Please share with everyone you love and know and invite them to the event. And all of you join us, please. Again, the details will be attached to this video as always. We thank you. We love you. In Lak'ech, we are another you.